Hello, comrade. Let's celebrate. And the number of my fans of this channel just hit 250. So there's a 250 comrades out there listening to my not entirely bullshit, but listen to my little talking. So I ordered this pen to celebrate my 250 fans. It's a ballpoint pen made of stainless steel. Now look at it. It's just as simple as that. That is kinds of pen will last forever. It got no clip. That red mark is I put it on this red tape because I need to indicate where the balance of this pen is. And what I have here, I have the name of this channel here. It's laser engraved, shallow, quite shallow. It's not something engraved down, but it's letter etch, that kind of thing. Shanghai Knife Guild. And I ordered it from I'm not going to say it's a factory, it's a craftsman. It's a just a little shed. I just happen to know this person, and look at that. This is a very basic ballpoint pen. Turn on, off, and that's it. Let's disassembly. Very basic, very simple, and very rigid. It's gonna last forever. That's a standard G2 refill without the end knob. You get rid of the end knob and you put it on. Inside of it, just very basic, simple. Basic and simple, because the less part it has, and unlikely it breaks. And when it's fully on, you will feel certain click. Now listen. No, probably you can't hear that, but I can feel that in my fingertip. There's a click in there. So that's the pen itself. Let's weight it, and you will be shocked. $68 grams. Can you believe that? 68 grams. And the balance point is up here. One was because I just tried writing with this pen, and you will see, like I mentioned in the first movie, First Things First, about the pencil. I mentioned the importance of the balance point. If the balance point is resting on your palm, this pen is too heavy for you to write with, because you feel the force is coming from the head of it. So what I can do is try to grab it higher, let the balance fall in within my hand. And also what I'm going to do, I'm gonna to add a little bit wrap to the barrel, because currently this barrel is made exactly up to my request, 10 millimeter, no more than 10 millimeter. I show you, because I also mentioned in the First Things First clip, the perfect grip will be 10 millimeter. You see, 10 millimeter. It's a straight 10 millimeter. So I'm going to add a little bit wrap, hopefully not to enlarge the diameter as much as I did on the orange narrow That's 12 currently, but that 12 it's flexible because the Chinese bamboo paper, when you will apply force, when you were grabbing it, yeah, it gives you certain feedback. It's sink in. I'm not sure I will try the Chinese bamboo paper again. I will try something else. But currently this pen, just to talk about the diameter, it's perfect for me because I asked for it. Now let's have a close exam again. There are some minor scratch, but I believe that's the best they could do. Otherwise, everything's smooth and perfect. Your fingertip, when you were gliding the surface of the pen, you can tell there's a certain, how can I say that, little circle? But you can definitely feel there's a grid on them, but it's so tiny and only your finger can tell. And the connection bit here, very smooth, very smooth. And from the tip, I believe, from the tip section, it's matte finish. So that's a two different finishing. It's one piece, of course. Look at that, 68 gram. And so what I do with this pen, I will add a grip. And is there any better solution to stop this pen from rolling? Probably not. But why I want to stop rolling just as same as the other pen? No, this pen will roll. Yes, this pen will roll. Okay, I just decided this pen will roll. Just as it is. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And on this finial, it's just one piece and bolt, and you can punch people with it. Oh. So this pen is to celebrate the 250 fans of my channel. Thank you, everybody. Oh yes. Okay. I wrap some leather around the grip and sealed it with electronic tape, and that add 2 grams on the top. Yeah, it was like 68, now 70, so that was 2 grams of it, and that didn't affect the center, that didn't affect the balance that much. Still around this area. Yeah, I also changed the color of the marking because previously it was a red one. When red meets green, so I also changed the tape into a green tape. Now it feels not that sleepy. Yeah, much better. Much better. Okay, I believe that's the celebration pen. 250 fans celebration pen. Okay, thank you for watching. Yeah.